Before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and by clicking on the bell icon to be notified when we publish a new video. In today's video, you will learn how to make a homemade natural anti-allergy syrup to relieve allergy symptoms. Do you suffer from allergies? Allergies, whether to food or to pollen and dust, are becoming more and more common. To manage this problem, it is important to have a strong immune system. That's why today you are going to learn how to make a homemade natural syrup to relieve your allergy symptoms using only lemon, orange, sugar, and water. This syrup helps lower histamine levels thanks to the bioflavonoids in the peels of the fruits, thus relieving the symptoms and discomfort caused by allergies. Write down the ingredients: 2 lemons and 2 oranges. It is always best to use those that are organically grown. Honey, white, brown, or demerara sugar. Water. Wash the lemons and oranges well and peel them. It is important to remove the peel along with the white part. Put the peels in a pot, cover them with water, and boil them over medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally so they don't burn. After boiling, turn off the heat, let it rest for another 10 minutes, strain the liquid, and pour it back into the pot. Add the sugar, honey, or other sweetener of your choice. The amount is the same as for the infusion. So if you have 1 cup of liquid, add 1 cup of sugar. Cook until the liquid reduces and reaches a syrupy consistency. If you take honey, you shouldn't boil it too long so that it doesn't lose its medicinal properties. When it is ready, store it in a sterilized glass jar. Here you can learn how to sterilize it properly. If you store the syrup in the refrigerator with good care, it can last for months without losing its benefits. How to consume it? Adults can take 3 tablespoons a day. If it becomes too strong, you can dissolve it in a little water. Children can take 1 to 3 tablespoons per day, depending on their age and weight. If you want, you can combine it with juice so they can drink the syrup. Did you like the recipe? Make it and then share your experience with us. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, please subscribe to my channel.